Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region this morning. I did see some rainfall across the region last night, around 0.6 of an inch, so some much needed rainfall, across the region. Today is going to be a pleasant day, other than the slightly breezy winds this morning. We'll see temperatures in the mid-50s today, as well as some dry conditions with no chance of precipitation or lightning. Taking a look at this morning's sounding, we have a freezing level at 12,300 feet, winds out of the northwest and the low levels around 30 knots, and seeing our winds switch out of the southwest to west-southwest in the mid-levels and the upper levels, and increasing up to 71 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we have that cold front that moved through the region last night off the coast over the Gulf Stream. We have an additional upper level disturbance or upper low over the Great Lakes, giving those areas some snow showers this morning, so that colder air mass across the central United States this morning. Not going to see any snowfall here across our region, but are going to see some cooler conditions. Today will be the warmest day for the next several days across the area, as we do have that colder air mass moving into the region. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the area, you can see we do have that cloud coverage moving off the coast. We're going to see a good amount of filtered sunshine for late this morning, the afternoon hours, and we'll see, in general, pleasant conditions, as I mentioned. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days, we'll have that area low pressure continue to deepen all over the New England coastline for today. That's going to give us a high pressure building in from the west. Then we'll continue to see a few upper level disturbances moving through the region. We'll see one moving through tomorrow, and then one moving through as well on Friday into Saturday. But overall, high pressure at the surface dominating our weather. We'll have a dry air mass in place, that cooler air mass as well, so temperatures only in the 40s for highs. And then moving into Saturday into Sunday, we'll have a stronger up-level disturbance moving in from the northern portion of the jet stream. That's going to give us possibly of a sprinkle possible Saturday night into Sunday, but really what that's going to do is invect in some much cooler air mass into our region, giving us more of a wintertime type feel to our weather for Sunday and a Monday, with breezy conditions, temperatures only peaking out in the lower 40s, as well as overnight lows below freezing. So taste of winter for the second half of the weekend into early next week. And then once we move into Tuesday of next week, looks like we'll have, in general, high pressure in control, temperatures starting to moderate. So looking like we'll shape up for the early to middle portion next week with some decent weather across the region. So looking at our risk chart for today, we did have those winds gustier early this morning, around 23 knots. That has continued to die down this morning, so shouldn't see any issues with winds near wind advisory criteria of 25 knots. High today around 56 degrees, low tonight around 37. We'll see that northwesterly wind continue and then pick up tomorrow morning around 8 local and gusting up to 23 knots, and have highlighted a yellow here for our winds due to those winds possibly becoming gusty by 8 local on Thursday morning. We'll see those winds continue to pick up Thursday morning, so should see a wind advisory after 8 local on Thursday morning for a few hours. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. Going to see a good amount of cirrus cloudiness across the region today, and then overnight with that additional upper level disturbance moving through, we'll see some clouds around 4,000 to 5,000 feet, possibly a ceiling around that level as well for the overnight hours, and we'll continue to see those clouds move through the region overnight, and then becoming mostly sunny by Thursday morning, 8 local, with just a few clouds around 5,000 as well as a few clouds around 25,000 feet. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Thursday and a Friday. Thursday, partly to mostly sunny, breezy, chilly. I have only 46 degrees. Our winds will be gusting 25 to possibly 27 knots during the morning on Thursday, and then should see that wind decrease during the afternoon. So looking like a wind advisory possible in the morning hours of Thursday. Thursday night, partly cloudy to mostly clear and cold, a low around 32. That could be our first freeze here at Wallops. And for Friday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Chilly conditions continuing, a high of only 48 degrees. We'll see green conditions for Thursday night into Friday. And then for the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures in the 40s for Thursday and Friday, seeing temperatures near 50 on Saturday. Very slight chance of a sprinkle Saturday night and Sunday with a 10% chance. And then Sunday into Monday, as I mentioned, much colder conditions. Sunday will feel colder than 45, as we'll have windy conditions out of the northwest. Wind chill should be in the 30s on Sunday, so much colder across the region. Monday, we'll see lighter winds, but still temperatures only struggling to reach the mid-40s, expecting a high of 44 degrees. And then finally seeing those temperatures start to moderate for Tuesday of next week with a high of 55 degrees. We'll see that overnight low looking like it'll be in the 20s for Sunday and a Monday, 26 degrees forecasted. Those locations inland could be seeing some lower 20s on Sunday and Monday, so some wintertime type weather moving through for Sunday and Monday. But I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.